Good evening, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Dell Weather Guy, bringing you your Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning weather map discussion. It's currently 56 degrees, relative humidity is 86%, and the pressure is 29.8 and steady. The rest of this evening into tomorrow morning is we'll have off and on rain. Then tomorrow and into Thursday morning, there is a possibility of some kind of wintry mix involved in this little cold front changing of temperatures, because you can obviously the high goes from 63 tomorrow afternoon. We go down to 30 on Thursday morning. So that's 31, 30, 33 degree drop in a matter of 12 hours. And the high on Thursday is only going to get up to 41. But it's kind of like a temporary thing. I mean, this always happens when it's a cold front blasts through. It's cold on the back end, and the temperature changes, and then you have this. Then high pressure settles in and calms down everything, and raises temperatures. So, not looking like a big to do, and this is currently the Weather Service's forecast and card is. I actually really like when they do this. They put out these nice graphics. I'm going to get rid of this because this has bothered me. Okay. Uh, um, wind gusts for this system, it's debatable as to their strength, but right now there's the possibility of 44-mile-per-hour gusts in the main cities of Philadelphia and Wilmington, then 43 down here by Dover, and 41 at the beach, and 44 in Atlantic City and Cape May. So, eh, this we're not talking 50, 60 mile per hour winds. We're talking mild to gusty winds for wind gusts, not sustained winds. So let's keep our hat on. This is not a nor'easter. This is a cold frontal passage. So whatever comes in. Um, oh, I always forget that. Whatever comes in, it's a temporary thing. It's not a long, drawn out system full of. Uh, you know what? I am having some major issues tonight with this pen feature, and so excuse me. So let's kind of keep our head about us in terms of there. All right, current system rain that we had earlier is moving up the coast. We have some we have a southern wave here that is creating some issues downstate and along the Delmarva and into Virginia, Washington D.C. area. So throughout the night, this will be filling in. This will be filling in all through the evening. So this is a temporary stay. So if you're a winter weather lover and you think winter is going to stick around a little bit, the GFS extended going out to April 1st is saying, hey, maybe we could still have something left here in the tank. I'm personally not buying this. Obviously, 840 hours out is like, if I could predict that was definitely going to happen, I wouldn't be here. I'd be somewhere making a lot of money as a futuristic weather forecaster. All I could say is, hey, you know, crazier things have happened. We'll see. Uh, but I'm not sold on that because temperatures are just way too warm. It's going to have to be the perfect event and the perfect storm to have that occur with us. All right. So the main weather story will be tomorrow. Now, we're looking for the main event to come in sometime tomorrow evening when the front will pass. So the winds will pick up throughout the day and the afternoon. Strongest winds in the evening with the strong cold frontal passage, mild with highs to 55 to 65, but temps plummet down to the 30s. All right. So that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. Have a great rest of the evening and have a great Wednesday. Adios.